Hey everyone, Gil here at Camppatton Family Compound. I've just been out here working on the sprinkler system, trying to get it to work so it waters everything. I don't wind up any dead spots of grass. And I'm working on that and other sections here. Where I put the raised planter beds over here, this area over in here was all part of the little pasture area that Brandon was using for his cows. So I got this area here mowed down again. While I was working on that so much, I totally ignored this area over here. Now if you saw my video I put out yesterday, that was actually shot 3 weeks ago. 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago, it was a while ago. And all the grass kind of grew up really tall, and this whole area had tall grass all over this area back here. So I spent most of the last night and today out here mowing, trying to get it all taken care of, getting it all down. Last night I was using the bag on it, and this morning it was like, screw that. So I raised it all the way up and for height on the mower, and just put it on mulching. So I got a bunch of mulching. All the grass clippings are just right down here. So anyway, so I was doing that. Now, speaking of yesterday's video, I'll put it, if you haven't seen it, I'll put a link to it up here. The tractor, well, I got the new hydraulic hose on it, and I can tell just by the feel of this hose compared to these hoses here, this is a lot better quality hose right there that I have. So, and see, I got it a little bit longer, so it's not up in the pedal linkage here, so they're not rubbing on it. I've got this one moved over into the middle there, so it's not getting rubbed on currently. I'll just have to keep an eye on that one. But I did luck out when I was doing the work on it. So if I can get this back here where it'll actually show. All right. Let's see here. So this here is the new one. I don't know if you can tell. Let me try to get it over here so you can see it. It's got a quick coupler up here. That quick coupler is part of hooking up the backhoe hydraulics. So fortunately, as tight as it is in there, I didn't have to fight it with the wrench. I was able to pop the quick coupler off. So there's no oil leakage up there. Take the other end off, wrap this fitting here. I wrapped this fitting here with plastic wrap and put a rubber band on it so it kept any more oil from leaking out. And went and spent $75 and got myself a new hose. So anyways, it's working just fine. All the grass I've been cutting for the last 3 weeks or so, I've been piling here next to the compost pile, and I kind of turned it all over, mixed it in, so the compost pile is cooking and working. And by next spring we'll have a nice pile of compost there. But yeah, so now I got to finish up where I got the mower at right now. I just got to finish mowing there because I just pulled the manure spreader forward into the bare spot there. And then I got to work over here, get the forks on it, lift out all the limbs over here, lift them all out, pile them out here in the opens where if there's an accidental fire, it doesn't burn down the shop. So I get all that stuff away from the shop and get that stuff done. So that's a quick update what's going on around here. Right now my biggest headache is working on the watering system. So, but it's coming along. I got most of it working, and most of the grass is really green, almost too green. It's growing so fast. So anyways, if you haven't had a chance to subscribe to the channel, please click the subscribe button down there and give me a thumbs up. Both those help me out with YouTube's analytics. Also, if you like the video, if you have anybody else that might like it, go ahead and share it out, and that way they have a chance to see what I'm doing here on the up here in Idaho on the homestead here. And let's see, okay, how's this one here doing? It's doing okay. Yeah, I'm not sure what I'm going to do about those sprinklers. Both the plastic and the metal impacts each have their own problems. So, but I don't want to spend, they're like $8 each, but I don't want to spend $28 to get one of the any more of the articulating ones, which actually work really good. But that's it. So everyone, stay happy, stay safe, stay prepared. If you can, plant a garden. You're going to need to grow something this year. Alrighty, take care. See you around.